Here's an iconic car, 1957 Ford Thunderbird. The last year of the baby bird convertibles, as they were nicknamed. Now this particular one comes with a hardtop. Does not have the soft top or apparatus for a soft top, so just want to fill you in on that. There is pictures with the hardtop on and hardtop off, and we'll get to where you can see those in a little bit. Underneath the hood, 312 V8 that is paired with a Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. As you can see, the paint has a nice luster to it. There are some fine scratches kind of in the clear, lightly in the paint, if you will. I would call this a nice driver quality paint job, as well as interior. As you can see, the bright work is in pretty nice shape on this one also. You're going to find some light scratches in some of the chrome, but overall, a driver quality bright work and paint. Riding on steel wheels with the wheel covers. A little wider whites, give it a nice look. You can look up and down the side of this car, not full of nicks and dings and scratches or anything like that, just something lightly in the paint. Fender skirts on the rear, that classic look. This car does have power brakes, as well as, like I mentioned, that automatic transmission powered by the 312. All right, now check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on that. That's going to take you right to our website and the listing of this car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. If you have any questions, we can help you out with this. Now, as far as the 312 that's underneath the hood, we had this back through our shop, and just want to make you aware, the engine does have some blow-by, and rings may be worn. Car runs and drives. It's just something, in the near future, may need a little TLC given to that engine, maybe refreshened up some. So just want to make you aware of that. This originally would have been a black car with a red interior, according to the data tag, from what I can come up with. So it's had a repaint along the way. Interior's been reupholstered. There's that Ford-O-Matic, shifter on the floor, red padded dash. Played around in the interior a little bit. The wipers do work. I did not get anything coming out of the stereo, but the wipers do work, and it looked like the tack was working when I started it up too. So make you aware of that. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so consult with your sales associate when you email us or call in. Now, just want to let you know, over here, a few extra parts. You got the cup holder there, kind of the liner from the trunk, some miscellaneous. But here is the hardtop for it. This stand that you see it sitting in is ours just for display purposes. And when I'm doing these videos, you can see the headliner is good in there. But I do want to mention there is a stand that is a fold-up stand that will go with this car. So that will also be in the trunk. There you go. You can see it's a white top. So you'd have the red body and the white hardtop. All right, so there you go. Let's come back, take a look at a little bright work in the rear of this. As you can see, the exhaust exiting out of the bumpers. They all seem to be in nice shape. All right, let's take a look up and down the driver's side here. As you can see, not full of a bunch of nicks or dings, scratches. You're going to find some imperfections in the paint. It is a little older repaint. It does show its age a little bit, but I'll come up here, you can see a little bit of kind of a paint flaw there. Try to give you a fair as walk around in this as I can. All right, let's start it up. Like I said, it'll fire right up. Like I said, I did notice tack work. Fuel gauge goes up to completely full, so it does move. Now, whether that is 100% accurate or not positive, but it did appear that the fuel gauge moved. I did have the wipers working, like mentioned earlier. Smooth runner, but like I said, in the near future may need a little refreshing of that 312. Alright, let's look around to the back here. Nice little rumble coming out of it. Nothing crazy about what you'd expect out of a 1957 vintage 312 engine. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. I think I can do it with one hand, and let's check out that engine bay so you can see that too. Hood release, front and center. Alright, see how smooth it runs. Nice looking, nice tidy engine bay. Slip around to this other side. Data tag intact back there, and again, there is a picture of that on the website with all the other still pictures. Like I said, you can check out the trunk, the underside, interior, top on, top off. Alright, so there you go. 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Last year, the Baby Bird convertibles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Where you can find the still pictures down below this video in the description. Click on it. There's a link there that's going to take you right to our website with the listing. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Check with your sales consultant when you call in or email us. We look forward to hearing from you.